Hello there guys, just an update on the bin, seeing the progress of it, seeing how it's going. Check the cover off. Wow, it's looking okay, it's looking good. As you can see, there's castings appearing now. There was no castings last time. So it looks like the worms are doing a real good job in there for us guys. Hopefully we can get to see this casting get used in the garden this summer. So yeah, it's doing good, you know. Last time I was trying to show a cocoon, but I don't know if I can get this one inside. All right, so they're definitely laying, and the population is soon to explode, soon to boom. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I say initially, you don't really need a lot of worms to start initially. The worms will, you know, they will populate the bin, and they'll do it quickly. It just depends on how quick you want your castings. I mean, this is just an experiment, so, you know, just to show you guys the whole process of how things work, how it goes. Yeah, so let me just give it a quick mix around. Make sure everybody's happy. Yeah, it seems quite moist. It's not too damp. You know, considering I'm only feeding on one side of the bin. Yeah, seems okay. There's definitely castings being formed in there. So yeah, we can't complain. And yeah, they're doing it quickly enough. Nice, lovely worms. I don't know. You guys can see this. It's nice worms. Right. So now we're just going to give it a quick feed. And then we'll check on it again in a few days. Yeah. Right. The feed I'm going to give it today is mostly banana. Some eggshells. And a tiny bit of coffee grounds. Alright guys, thank you very much and live well.